Hey, Jack Zinda here. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most common questions we get at our firm, which is how do I negotiate a case with a trucking company if I was injured in a truck accident? Quick story, we had a case recently where a young woman was injured in a truck accident, a really terrible case. She had some very serious catastrophic injuries, and the family was new to this process, as most people are, and most people don't ever think of going through this. And the parents were very sophisticated, very intelligent, and they did what most people do in this situation is they tried to handle the situation themselves. Well, they went to a negotiation with an insurance company where the insurance company tried to get them to accept a very small amount of money, roughly around $25,000. The clients at the time, not knowing the full extent of their child's injuries, didn't want that much more than that. I believe they wanted close to $45,000 or $50,000. Well, the insurance company refused to pay the money the parents want. And thank goodness they did, because then they hired our firm and we were able to get the case resolved for over $1 million 1 year from the date they hired us. And you can't say your results will line up with this case because the facts, the damages, what happened to this person is going to be different than your situation. But the lesson of the story is you can't trust an insurance company on how they're going to try to negotiate the case. And you need to make sure you get expert advice before you make any big decisions like that. You don't have to hire an attorney just by consulting with them, but it's important you find out what your rights are before making a decision that could affect your child for the rest of their lives. If you have any more questions about this or other topics, please feel free to reach out to myself or my firm. We always offer free consultations, and we really enjoy helping children and helping working on their cases because that can make a huge difference in someone's life. Thanks a lot.